Hello, friends. Picture this. You find yourself caught in the unrelenting grip of financial uncertainty. No matter how hard you work or how much you strive, abundance seems to elude your grasp. It's a problem faced by countless individuals like yourself, yearning for a breakthrough. But what if I told you that there is a way to unlock abundance through self-manifestation? What if I revealed a technique that could pave the path to success, using nothing more than a mirror as your ally? And what if I shared strategies for investing during a recession, offering you the potential to attract wealth even during the most challenging times? In this video, we will dive deep into these powerful concepts, exploring the secrets behind unlocking abundance through self-manifestation. Be prepared to discover how the mirror technique can manifest success in astonishing ways, and learn strategies to tap into the wealth, attracting potential of investing during a recession. Are you ready to step into a world where your desires become reality? If so, I invite you to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any of our mind-expanding content. Get ready to embark on a journey that will challenge your beliefs, expand your possibilities, and empower you to unlock the abundance that has been waiting for you all along. Brace yourself as we delve into the mysteries of unlocking abundance through self-manifestation, manifesting success with the mirror technique, and investing during a recession to attract unprecedented wealth. The adventure begins now. In the first segment, we will explore the profound concept that everything in this universe is connected by energy. This interconnectedness forms the foundation for understanding and harnessing the power of manifestation. Imagine a network of invisible threads linking all things together: humans, nature, and even the cosmos. This intricate web of energy allows for the flow of information, emotions, and intentions. Recognizing this interconnectedness opens up a world of possibilities where we can tap into the universal energy to manifest our desires. One powerful technique that can aid us in manifesting our desires is the mirror technique. By using a mirror for self-reflection and transformation, we open the gateway to our inner selves. Through this practice, we can delve into our deepest thoughts, beliefs, and energies, thus aligning ourselves with what we truly want to manifest. As we gaze into the mirror, we are confronted with our own image. It is through this process that we can begin to challenge and reshape the way we perceive ourselves. By shifting our self-perception from self-doubt to self-confidence, we can pave the way for positive change. Making changes in our lives starts with ourselves. Our thoughts about ourselves shape our reality. To manifest our desires, we must first alter our thoughts and beliefs about ourselves. Self-reflection and self-transformation allow us to uncover any self-doubts or negative patterns that may be hindering our progress. In our search for happiness, we often look to external sources, hoping they will bring us fulfillment. However, true happiness starts from within. It is essential to look within ourselves, understanding our desires, passions, and values before seeking happiness from external sources. By going inward, we gain clarity, alignment, and a deeper understanding of our purpose. Rebirthing your inner self is the key to manifesting desired changes in life. It involves shedding the layers of self-doubt, fear, and limiting beliefs that have held us back. By consciously choosing to let go of our old identities and embracing new possibilities, we create space for transformation and growth. Imagine you want to break free from a cycle of financial struggle. Through the process of inner rebirth, you can shed the belief that you are destined for scarcity and replace it with the belief that you are capable of attracting abundance. As you visualize and affirm this new mindset, you open yourself up to receive new opportunities for financial success. Negative self-talk can be a significant obstacle to manifesting our desires. To create positive affirmations that support our goals, we must acknowledge and break away from this destructive habit. By recognizing when negative thoughts arise and consciously choosing to replace them with positive ones, we can reprogram our minds for success, and a wealthier mindset. Let's say you have a belief that you are not smart enough to start your own business. By acknowledging this limiting belief and counteracting it with a positive affirmation, such as "I am intelligent and have the skills to succeed in my own business," you are rewriting your mental script. Over time, these positive affirmations can replace the old limiting beliefs and pave the way for entrepreneurial success. To improve our reality, we can employ a combination of logical deductions, anecdotal evidence, and emotional affirmation. By logically examining our current beliefs and patterns, collecting evidence from others who have succeeded, and infusing our affirmations with emotion, we can enhance our manifestation efforts and bring our desired outcomes closer into reality. Generating a positive mindset involves not only focusing on what should be done, but also considering what not to do for a more successful outcome. By identifying and avoiding self-sabotaging behaviors and negative patterns, we can clear the path towards our desired success. Creating powerful affirmations is a crucial step in attracting success into our lives. By aligning our thoughts, intentions, and emotions with our true goals, we can activate the law of attraction. When we consistently reaffirm our desires and believe in their manifestation, we magnetize the opportunities and resources needed to make them a reality. And there you have it. We have delved into the secrets of manifestation, unlocking the power within ourselves to attract abundance, success, and fulfillment. Before we part ways, let's recap some key takeaways from this enlightening journey. Remember, always be on the lookout for the universe nod, those signs and synchronicities that confirm you are on the right track in chasing your dreams. Trust in the subtle guidance provided by the universe as you navigate the path toward your desired manifestations. It's important to tweak how we view money and our goals. While financial abundance is certainly a worthy pursuit, remember that the journey towards manifestation encompasses much more. Health, love, snagging a dream job. Include all these aspects in your vision for a truly fulfilling life. When attracting wealth, starting small can be a powerful strategy. Set an achievable goal, perhaps $20, and watch as it grows. This process builds confidence and demonstrates the universe's responsiveness to your intentions. Remember, every step counts on the path to abundance. Believe that the universe will reflect anything positive you think regarding wealth, abundance, and success. Your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs shape your reality. Embrace the power of positive thinking and watch as the universe aligns itself to bring you the experiences and outcomes you desire. Let go of any limiting beliefs that have been holding you back. It's time to create a new reality, one that opens the floodgates to abundance. Release self-doubt, fear, and scarcity mindset. By consciously choosing to adopt empowering beliefs and embrace new possibilities, you invite more abundance into your life. If you found this video insightful, we would greatly appreciate your support. Please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't done so already. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our latest content on manifestation and personal growth. We love hearing from our viewers, so please share your thoughts, experiences, and any questions you may have in the comments section below. Your engagement truly fuels our mission to help you unlock your true potential. As you continue on your manifestation journey, may you be blessed with divine guidance and abundant blessings. Trust in the power of your intentions and the support of the universe. With every step you take, know that you are co-creating a life filled with prosperity, happiness, and fulfillment. Until we meet again in our next video, keep harnessing the power of manifestation in your life. Keep believing, keep aligning, and keep manifesting your dreams into reality.